Hi everyone, I'm Senthil Raja Martandan.
Hi everyone, I'm Raghav.
Welcome to our channel. This video we are going to see a lot of AI tools, especially for creating videos, because many people are really looking for right video tools that can help their business and education and all. So Raghav, which tools that we can start with?
Yeah, we can start with HeyGen, which is a well-recognized one in industry side.
Yeah, so I think we can start with the agent. So that's a good one to start with.
Yeah.
Yep, it's an AI avatar video generation tool. So its a primary function is to create multiple avatars, and you can create your own avatars as well, or use the existing one. And it also supports multilinguals, different languages that you can translate with the exact lip sync. So you can give the script to this tool, and that will actually create a complete the video generated avatars, and also they said 40 plus languages that avatar can speak with a proper lip sync, and so we can very well use it for our personalized video messaging, so with our own avatar or existing avatars. And also you don't need a studio or filming things for creating any videos. This tool will be able to really help you on that front, and you can very well use it for course creations, or explaining anything about AI, or internal training, or any product demos, personalized lead videos and everything. You can very well use that. In short, actually, it's a script to avatar video creations for training and marketing and multi-language delivery. So let's look at that demo here. So what I've done actually, I've created multiple videos here, and so I'm just going to show you, there's a home page where you can give your script here and add whatever that you want to do. And also, this is the agents that you can use to create videos and all. So first you create the script, and then create do that. So these are the projects I created. I just want to show you one of the project that I created, and I'm just clicking on this. So here what I've done actually, I've given script for my video. From this, it actually created a plan, video plan. So how this is going to look, whether it's a orientation portrait format, or or landscape, whatever it is, how long this is going to be, duration, language, captions, and whatever the credits that used for the free ones, right? And script is also given here, and the style and all those things, you can see this. So if you see this, what avatar is being used, and voice, and music. So all those complete details of creation of videos that you got it. Finally, the video got created. Let's look at that, how this video is playing now.
Welcome to Digidara Technologies, where we help students, educators, and professionals unlock the power of artificial intelligence and become future ready. The world is moving fast with AI, and those who adapt today will lead tomorrow. Through faculty development programs, career, and gain confidence in the AI era. Join the Digidara community and start your journey toward becoming AI powered.
Yeah, that's the outcome that what you're seeing, and so you should be able to create this such videos, or for your business. And also there are multiple apps, how you want to create from photo to video, or translate that video into different language with the proper lip sync, and product placements, quick avatar videos, and all those things that you can do, whatever that you see here. And multiple avatars that we have, so you can pick up either one of the existing avatars, or you can pick up create your own avatar. So I just picked some existing avatar to create for my branding, but you can definitely use it for your own avatar. So that's the summary of it. Very well you can create videos with HeyGen, with your own avatar, and a lot of things that you can do with this. Yep.